This is a Range Rover HSE SI6, and I'm explaining to you about how to take the seals off. This is a star screw that we have to take off in the door in order to take the seals off, and it's in here. This screw is gonna come out of here. So you're gonna see this little thing close like this. Just get your fingernail and pop it off like this, and then we can pull it out right here. You guys, I'm gonna take the screw out. It comes out, and then I'm able to pop this back. I'm able to pop this back and take the seal out. But these clamps here, make sure they stay down. So just pull up like this and make sure the clamps stay down, and just pull the seal out. That's why we can bottom drop it inside the window. Okay, now I'm gonna bottom drop the film off into the window, and I'm gonna demonstrate it for you guys. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, I'm washing the film down just in case it have any asset dirt on it and whatnot. So I wash the film down real good to run the dirt off, and then now I'm gonna bottom drop it. You have to run the water down in there. Okay. So now I'm gonna peel it. All right, we're gonna bottom drop it. Put the front down first. The front of the film first. It gotta go off into the window, so that way you can have room for the bottom part right here to drop down even. So it's gonna push it down. There we go. There we go. And then now we can slide it in position. There we go. You slide it in position. Hold your hands on it real hard so it won't move around. Keep it in position. There we go. All right. And so I can show you guys how to put it back on after this. So that's about it. You know the rest, you professional attendants out there. I was just showing you how to take the door panel off, because a lot of people don't know how to take it off. All right.